Hey Groundhogs, welcome back to our second Science Sunday. Mrs. Eulorn here and
Collier.
all right, today's science experiment is going to be a little bit different than our other science experiment, our last science experiment. It's not going to be immediate. So that means you're going to have to do some observation, use your observation skills. So our goal is to make some minerals over the next 3 or 4 days. And we're going to get you guys set up tonight. Okay, so the materials that you're going to need 2
Glass bottles.
so glass canning jars would be good. You're also going to need a
Spoon.
all right, the other thing you're going to need Epsom salts. So these ones are different. These ones are grapefruit and black pepper, so they're going to smell nice. Thank you, Mrs. McSturdy, for giving us some Epsom salts. And then we've got this other one that is eucalyptus and citrus. So it'll be interesting to see if there's a difference in each jar dependent on the Epsom salts that we use. You're also going to need hot water because you're going to fill these up with hot water to dissolve the Epsom salts. And the last material that you're going to need is a string. And you want to weight them down. So we're going to weight the ends down with these little clips. Okay, you want your string to make sure your string is cotton or wool. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do, we are gonna take the hot water. We're gonna add them into the jar. I'm getting water.
There we go.
I'm getting water everywhere. Collier's enjoying it. It's going everywhere.
You just spilled all over you.
I did. It's fine. It's just water.
Well, yeah, but it's like
right?
spilling all over the place.
It's okay. This is the fun part of science, is nothing ever goes according to plan. Okay, so you want to leave about 1 to 2 inches
Of water.
of space at the top of the jar.
I
am soaked. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the Epsom salts. This is where you come into play. You ready?
Can I go get a towel?
No, we're good.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna do the pink grapefruit in this jar. And so you just dump the Epsom salts in, and then Collier's gonna stir it. And we want the we want the Epsom salt to dissolve in the hot water. And I will do this side as well.
So is this one good?
Yep, that one's good. And the goal is to keep adding Epsom salts to the water until they don't dissolve anymore. And you've got a pooling of Epsom salts in the bottom. Sorry, you guys, that's really loud.
Yes.
Sometimes you need parent muscle to get it all done.
Is that all it is?
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more to this side. Okay, so then you'll see at the bottom, I'm gonna have you do something real quick, okay? Will you take this and go dump the excess water out into the sink? Okay, so the bottom of the jar, you might be able to see there are some Epsom salts at the bottom that are pooling in the bottom, and that's what you want. That's the goal, is to get Epsom salts pooling in the bottom. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. I have a sneaking suspicion that's what's gonna help the minerals start. Thank you, Collier. Okay, then we're gonna add a little bit more here. We're gonna stir it up a little bit more. Stir it up a little bit more. It smells kind of nice, huh?
Yeah.
It's the nice thing about having flavored Epsom salts. Okay, so you want them in the bottom of a baking sheet, and you want them about 3 to 6 inches apart. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your string and you're going to dip them in the water. And you only want them a few inches in the water, and then you're gonna leave the string hanging outside onto the tray. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, so I'm excited to see, and I'm hoping that it works. So I'll let you guys know. And if you guys do the science experiment at home too, we're excited to know what you guys find out. So happy Science Sunday and happy mineral making. Good luck, groundhogs.
Mineral making!